Hello, a very good morning, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss the lecture Ancient History of Uttarakhand, Part 3. Okay, and today we will be dealing with the Gupta period in the Uttarakhand. Okay, so Gupta period is from 275 to 600 Iswi Pur. Okay, and this is the period which has established the political unity in the Uttarakhand. It is the golden period of the Uttarakhand. Okay, and the most important dynasty that has been in the Gupta period is the Kartikapur dynasty. Okay, this dynasty, the Kartikapur dynasty, okay, is established by Basant Dev. Okay, so Basant Dev is the founder of the Kartikapur dynasty and is the first dynasty that is historical dynasty of Uttarakhand. Okay, it's the first historical dynasty of Uttarakhand. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, Kuninda was the first royal and the first political dynasty of Uttarakhand, and the first historical dynasty of Uttarakhand is the Kartikapur dynasty, and the Kartikapur dynasty was founded by the Basant Dev. Okay, and this dynasty has ruled Uttarakhand for more than 3 generations. Okay, from 700 to 1030 AD. Okay, the capital of this dynasty is mostly Josimat. Josimat is in Chamoli. Okay, for 300 years. Okay, after 300 years, they shifted their capital near Bajnath. Bajnath is where? Bajnath is near Bageshwar. Okay, and this Bajnath lies in the Katyuri valley of Almora. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay. So, according to British historian Atkinson is the British historian. According to him, this dynasty ruled over the territory covering Satluj in the west to Gandaki in the east, Himalaya in the north, to the plain areas of Rohilkhand in the south. So you can guess how much area they have covered in the Uttarakhand. Okay, so question can came, right? So you have to understand north, east, west, south. Okay, this dynasty ruled over a vast territory, Satluj in the west to Gandaki in the east, Himalaya in the north to the Rohilkhand in the south. Okay, and inscription of this dynasty has been found from Pandukeshwar. Okay, okay. So Kavi Harisan is one of the famous Kavi of Uttarakhand. He had talked about the Kartarpur Rajya in his poetries. Okay, got it, everyone? Okay, that I have told you, capital of Uttarakhand is in Josimat Chamoli for 300 years. After 300, it has been shifted to the Bajnath Bageshwar, which is in the Kartarpur valley of the Almora. The inscription that has been found is in the Pandukeshwar, Bageshwar, and Kantara. Okay. Also, there was one historian. His name is Lakshmi Dutt Joshi. According to the Lakshmi Dutt Joshi, the rulers of the Kartikapur dynasty generally belongs to Ayodhya. Okay? And king named Sadivahana, okay, is the ancestor of the Kartikapur rulers. Okay? And the Kartikapur dynasty, they majorly worship Kartikeya. So Kartikeya was the main deity of this particular dynasty. Okay? Also another historian, Badri Dutt Pandey. Okay? He called the Kartikapur rulers as Suryavanshi. Okay? Okay? According to Badri Dutt Pandey, the Kartikapur rulers were called Suryavanshi and they were conferred with the post of Giriraj. Very important. They were conferred with the Giriraj Chakra Chudamani, that is Chakravarti Samrat. So you can expect the question that according to Badri Dutt Pandey, the famous historian of Uttarakhand, who was regarded as the Giriraj Chakra Chudamani, that is the Chakravarti Samrat. They were the Kartikapur rulers. Okay, got it, everyone? The official language of this Kartikapur dynasty is Sanskrit. ठीक है, but their folk language is Pali. ठीक है, their kingdom was called the kingdom of religion. ठीक है, so there was no fixed religion that Buddhism or Hinduism. There was the kingdom of the religion. ठीक है, rulers of Kartika dynasty had the very great impact on the political unity as well as the historical unity of the Uttarakhand. It was during this time the Kartikapur rulers that the Guru Sankaracharya had visited the Uttarakhand. Okay? And it has re-established the Hinduism in this religion, in this place. Okay? Before that, Buddhism was the most prominent religion in Uttarakhand. The Guru Sankaracharya had re-established the Hinduism in this particular religion. Okay? During this period, the Badrinath temple, Kedarnath temple restoration was done. Okay? And Josimat was established. Okay? Also, in 820 AD, Guru Sankaracharya, he took his salvation where? He took his salvation in Kedarnath. Okay? So, let's talk about the first ruler, that is the Basant Dev. Okay? Basant Dev, his where we can find his inscription in Bageshwar. Okay? And he was the first king of this dynasty. He declared himself to be the independent king. Okay? And he gained the title called the Param Bhattarak Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay? So, and he is also known as the Giriraj. Okay? At Josimat, he established the temple, Nursing temple. You can find the Nursing temple in Josimat. It is established by the Basant Dev. Okay? Basant Dev was basically the Buddhist origin. Okay? But after that, he converted himself to the Brahmical. Okay? And according to Bageshwar inscription, his wife name was Rajnarayani Devi. Okay? Rajnarayani Devi. And he ruled from 850 to 870 AD. Okay? So got it, everyone? Okay. So Basant Dev was the first ruler of this dynasty. Okay? And we can find his information through the Bageshwar inscriptions. He was declared the first independent king, gained the title called the Param Bhattarak Maharaja Dhiraj. Okay? And he built the temple of Nursing in the Josimat. Okay? He was basically the Buddhist origin, but later started following the Brahminical practices. Okay? And as per the Bageshwar inscription, his wife name was Rajnarayani Devi. Okay? After the Basant Dev, the second ruler was that ruled the kingdom from 870 to 880 AD was Kharpar Dev. Okay? His name was Kharpar Dev. Okay? Got it, everyone? So, in Raj Tarangini of Kalhan, okay, there is a description of a Kashmiri king, Lalitatitya Muktapida, okay, who ruled over the Garhwal kingdom. Okay? So probably during this period, Kharpar captured the Garhwal and established a new dynasty. Okay? Got it, everyone? There is a Ras Tarangini of Kalhan. Okay? In Ras Tarangini of Kalhan, there is a description of the Kashmiri king लालितादित्य मुक्तापिता, ठीक है, राज तरंगिनी ऑफ कल्हान, देयर इज डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अ रूलर लालितादित्य मुक्तापिता, ठीक है, who had win the गढ़वाल region of उत्तराखंड, ठीक है, and during this period the Kharpar Dev captured the Garhwal region and established a new dynasty there. ठीक है, he built the shelter houses over the pilgrimage routes. ठीक है, got it everyone? And he was contemporary, similar to what we can say the Kartikapur region. There is contemporary the Kannauj kings are also ruling. So he was contemporary to the Kannauj king called Yasovarman. ठीक है, आफ्टर डेथ ऑफ खरपार देव हिज सन कल्याण राजा बिकेम द रूलर, ठीक है, एंड क्वीन लदाबाई वॉज हिज वाइफ, ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर कल्याण राज त्रिभुवन राज हु वॉज द ग्रैंडसन ऑफ द खरपार देव एंड द लास्ट किंग ऑफ द खरपार डायनेस्टी, ठीक है, रूल्ड एंड ही गेन द टाइटल ऑफ परम भट्टारक महाराज ऑल्सो सिमिलर टू द बसंत देव. And according to Bageshwar inscription, Tribhuvan Raj made a treaty with the son of Kirat and he made the land donation to Vyagreshwar temple of Maharashtra, which is also evident from the Bageshwar inscription. ठीक है, so you understand? Okay, I'm repeating it, right? So Basant Dev was the first ruler. He ruled from 850 to 870 AD, ठीक है, he gained the title of the Maharaja Dhiraj Param Bhattarak, ठीक है. After Basant Dev, Kharpar Dev from 870 to 800 AD ruled, ठीक है, and he also captured the Garhwal region and also established the dynasty there, ठीक है. After Kharpar Dev, Kalyan Raj became the ruler, ठीक है, and after Kalyan Raj Tribhuvan Raj, ठीक है, was the grandson of Kharpar Dev and the last king of the Kharpar Dev dynasty, ठीक है, मतलब this dynasty the Kharpar, after the Kharpar Dev dynasty he is the last ruler of Kharpar Dev dynasty, ठीक है. Sorry, before I use the word Kartikapur dynasty, it's not Kartikapur dynasty, it was the Kharpar Dev dynasty, which was the whose last ruler was the Tribhuvan Raj, ठीक है, and he also gained the title of the Param Bhattarak Maharaja Dhiraj, ठीक है. And according to the inscription of Bageshwar, Tribhuvan Raj has made a treaty with son of Kirat, ठीक है, and he also made a land donation to the Vyagreshwar temple of Maharashtra, ठीक है. Got it everyone? Okay, so our history, right, there are very less evidence of the Uttarakhand history, so there is no sequence, ठीक है, whatever is being found is documented, so there is no fixed sequences, ठीक है. Got it everyone? So I am just repeating the Kartikapur dynasty, ठीक है. So Kartikapur dynasty, when talking about the Kartikapur dynasty, it is the first historical dynasty of Uttarakhand, ठीक है. It was established by Basant Dev, got it everyone, ठीक है, and its capital is Josimat for 300 years, ठीक है. After Josimat, the capital is shifted to the Bajnath, which lie in the Katyur valley of Almora, ठीक है, which is in the Katyur valley of the Almora. The inscription of Kartikapur dynasty can be found from the Pandukeshwar, Bageshwar and Kandara, ठीक है. Kartikapur rulers were called Suryavanshi by Badridath Pandey, ठीक है, and Badridath Pandey has also conferred the Kartikapur with the post of Giriraj Chodamani, that is Chakravarti Samrat, The official language that Kartikapur used was Sanskrit, but their folk language was Pali. ठीक है. It was during this period the Guru Shankaracharya visited the Uttarakhand and re-established the Hinduism. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? ठीक है. And in 820 AD, the Guru Shankaracharya take his salvation at the Kedarnath temple. Okay. So the first rulers of the Kartikapur was Basant Dev, which ruled from 850 to 870 AD. ठीक है. And his inscription is found in Bageshwar. ठीक है. He was conferred with the title of the Param Bhattarak Maharajadiraj. ठीक है. Okay. And he was basically the Buddhist. ठीक है. But later started following the Brahminical practices. ठीक है. After Basant Dev, the Kharpar Dev became the ruler. ठीक है. And in the Ratnagiri Rashtarangini of Kalhan. ठीक है. There is a mention of the ruler Lalitaditya Markatapida, Muktapida, Lalitaditya Muktapida, which has won over the Gadwal region. And during this period, Kharpardev had captured the Gadwal and re-established a new dynasty there. ठीक है. He built various pilgrimages routes also, and after that Kharpardev he established a Kharpardev dynasties. ठीक है. So after Kharpardev, his son Kalyan Raj became the ruler. After Kalyan Raj, Tribhuvan Raj became the ruler. ठीक है. And Tribhuvan Raj was the last king of the Kharpar Dev dynasty. Kharpar Dev dynasty, not Kartikapur dynasty. He was the last ruler of the Kharpar Dev dynasty, having gained the title of Param Bhattarak Maharaja Dhiraj. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? From Bageshwar inscription, we can also find that he has also given a land donation for the building of the Vyagreshwar temple of the Maharashtra. ठीक है. Got it, everyone? Thank you.